Welcome to Tax Reform News. This video we're going to be going over some key proposals from tax reform, and more specifically we're going to be going over key proposals for individuals. Okay, first let's go over what the ordinary income tax rate would be under tax reform for individuals. As you can see, they'd all be graduated rates of 10% for the lowest bracket, 25% for the next highest bracket, and 35% for the highest bracket of all. And that's under the Trump plan. Under the House blueprint, you'd have rates of 12%, 25%, and 33%. Under the Camp bill, you'd have 10%, 25%, 35%. And as you can see, the Trump plan sort of followed this. And this is the Trump tax plan that was released on April 26, 2017. As for the standard deduction and personal exemption, under the Trump plan, there'd be a double standard deduction. Under the House blueprint, it would consolidate personal exemption and the standard deduction into a larger standard deduction. While the proposal from the Camp bill increased standard deduction with the phase out and eliminated personal exemptions. Now, what about itemized deductions? The Trump tax plan for tax reform eliminates itemized deductions other than the home mortgage interest and charitable deductions, while the House blueprint eliminates itemized deductions other than home mortgage interest and charitable deductions, similar to the Trump plan. And the Camp bill eliminated itemized deductions, including deduction for interest on home equity debt. There's also a 2% floor on charitable deductions. What about the alternative minimum tax for individuals? Under all three plans, the alternative minimum tax was repealed. Another thing is the net investment income tax. Under the Trump tax proposal, this would be repealed. For the House blueprint, this was not contemplated as part of the House blueprint, but it would be part of the healthcare plan. And the Camp bill did not address this. What about investment income rate for individuals under tax reform proposals? For the Trump tax proposal, it would be the same as current law, which is currently 20%. And under the House blueprint, there'd be a 50% deduction for capital gains, interest, and dividends. And the Camp proposal had a deduction of 40% of adjusted net capital gain. And lastly, what about estate tax for individuals? President Trump vehemently believes that the estate tax is not necessary and would seek to repeal it. And also the House blueprint would also repeal the estate tax, while the Camp proposal kept the bill in that proposal. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure to visit our website, taxreformnews.com.